So we wait till like 7:30 to do a top down and see if
Yeah.
we're rolling. Let me dethaw.
Yeah, I guess.
Mm. You got a ride today?
Nope. Class the rest of the week, actually.
Nice.
So that'll be super nice. Yep, class the rest of the week. Just an exam on Wednesday. So that'll be good.
Is it a tough exam?
Yeah, it'll be tough. It's just hard for some of this stuff to be on paper. So sometimes the tests are just like, all right, that was interesting.
Yeah.
But hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. We got a little review today and then should be ready for tomorrow.
Gotcha.
Mm. Did you mess with OpenClaw last night?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it. I was able to get back logged in and get everything working. So made some tweaks. Starting to figure it out more, but
That's
we'll see.
good. Figure out why it was having or why it was charging you so much to do st things.
Um, yeah, in a way. Um, yeah, you have to just prompt it the right way, and I was prompting it to make it run like, you know, 1,000 times per second, and it was just that's how you get it to blow up.
Dang.
But
Like I don't like this.
yeah, but I'm having to prompt it differently.
Well, that's good. What for was that for the trading stuff? Or like the
Both are. I had it's I don't know. I was just trying to get it set up on a different LLM yesterday, and that's what took so long. Um, but I did some more research. It's like the more videos you watch and tweets you see, you're like, man, I wish I would have seen that 10 hours ago. That would have saved me a lot of time. So like I'm using Codex now, which is supposedly the best version. It's annoying because like there's so many different new versions coming out that like nothing's set in stone. So it's just all over the place. But
yeah, I've heard Codex is pretty good. And
yeah. And I mean, the guy was like, if you've got the $20 subscription, that's all you need. I'm like, well, that's what I got. Other people are saying you need the $200 one, but we'll see. I just gotta um, prompt it differently, I guess.
yeah.
But I'm gonna like devote half my day to it. I can't spend another full entire day on this thing, dude. It's not a waste of time, but it just it's consuming.
Yeah. I feel like those things can get like that.
Yeah, you just get stuck in the same spot, and then you look up the clock, and you're like, oh, there goes that day.
Yeah. Yes, everyone's sleeping in today.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, we had a good amount of people in Asian last night.
So it always is. Asians easier to show up to, but not, I say, as good.
Right.
Because NQ is only volatile for like maybe an hour. So it's like we get four closures essentially.
Hmm.
At some point here, especially with all these restrictions and stuff, I think after the move and stuff gets settled in, I think I want to move or start trading like 2,000 on a live account. I say treat it like a 50K,
Yeah.
but um, I say, okay, not treat it like a 50K. Um, but have like where it's like, okay, where it's 2,000, where I'm used to $2,000 drawdown, but instead of risking how we normally would, where it's like, yep, I got $2,000 worth of drawdown. I'm gonna risk $800 on this one trade. It's like,
It's
oh,
$100 to $200.
yeah.
Yeah. No, I like
Um,
that for sure.
just so that it's like, hey, if there's a really good setup or gold is moving good, it's like, yeah, we can take that.
Hmm. Yeah, it's definitely a goal as a live account.
I think starting off small with like 2 grand is,
Yeah, building it up.
mm-hmm.
Bet.
I'm down to pray and we can just talk about it ourselves
All right.
because I know Hudson can't hear. Uh, and I'm not sure if Brett's around or what's going on, but yeah. Alrighty, dear God, thank you for this day, Lord. Thank you that we just get to come here to the desk and look at these charts. Lord, just continue to give us wisdom this morning. And Lord, we love you and we give you all the glory no matter what happens. In Jesus' name, amen.
Mm. All right. Whoa. Just closed my eyes and we melted another 100 ticks. Um,
Sheesh.
yeah, so gold daily closed up bullish. That 4 hour closed up weak bearish. But we are headed down. We'll see if we respect this level again, like we did in the past at 51.66. Um, but I think if we come up and close back above here after grabbing those lows in the hourly, that's when I'll have to start looking for buys. Um, 30-minute previous closed up, uh, bullish, but no bottom wick. Just kind of gross looking. Um, just nasty price action. Nasty. Um, so we can look for buys once we get kind of back above here at 51.68. Um, but until then, I'm going to need to see a closure above. So, um, and we just chopped all night last night.
Literally.
Yeah. And then, I mean, realistically, where's the tool? Something like this would be nice. Um, but with this hourly coming close to an end, uh, we're probably going to close below here. So we can look to fill this wick, but we do have, in my opinion, much more clean range to the downside than the upside right now at the moment. So that's what I got on gold. And Q is doing the opposite. It's kind of interesting. They're back to doing the opposite. Um, 4 hour daily. Previous goes strong bearish. Not much of a bottom wick on it. 4 hour close up bullish, weak bullish. But we did, grab those lows and come back up. So we got a good bottom wick on the 4 hour. We're going to see if we keep rallying up or maybe come back down here in the last 15 minutes because this hourly doesn't have much of a bottom wick, but I wouldn't be surprised if we stay up above this last 15-minute just based off how the 30-minute looks as well. We're running into a support here, but for me, I need for buys above this level. Uh, Maybe hang around here for a bit, close up, fresh support, close back above, and take buys. So that is what I'm looking for on NQ.
I like it. Yeah. If NQ wanted to melt, I was both bearish and bullish on it, but um, yeah, with it pushing up that far, I like it. I like for it to keep going.
Mm-hmm.
But would y'all grill out this weekend or Sunday?
Made some steak.
Mm,
Yeah, made some steak. Potatoes, vegetables.
vegetables.
Yeah, but it's good.
Yeah. Started doing sweet potatoes.
Yeah, some money. I always like throwing like butter and cinnamon on them.
Yep.
I made my coffee way too strong this morning, dude. It's like almost unbearable to drink.
You don't do the same, like I got like a little like measuring thing.
Do you? I need one. I just kind of eyeball it, but
Yeah, well that's what I started to do, and then I was like, all right, I was way too caffeinated today. I needed to
yeah, tone it back.
or like so it's like now I know. Like, all right, hey, I'm gonna dump some extra in there. But
Yeah,
at least I got a good baseline for like, yeah, this is good.
yeah. That's definitely smart. It's definitely the right play.
Mm. I can't hear any of your music you do.
Yeah, it's kind of gone really.
High energy lo-fi, perfect.
Oh gosh, dude, I can barely breathe.
Your allergies are that bad?
Yeah,
Dang.
they always are.
That's one thing that I have enjoyed. Grace has had some like cough or whatever for like 2 weeks now, but uh yeah, I haven't been stuffy out here at all,
That's awesome.
which has been so nice. I You kind of forget about it, like
Yeah,
what it's like to not be able to breathe.
yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, I was like,
H2O.
yeah. I'm like, yep, and that only lasts for. So I'm afraid once we get up there, it's like
Well, then it's just like it's not
I'm gonna
even
get
stuffy
sick.
nose. It's just like you have maybe a little bit of snot, and you take a
Mm-hmm.
deep breath, and it just solidifies. It's that cold.
That's a cold. Yeah. So my thoughts here, if we get a 30 closure on NQ, sorry, yeah, stupid restrictions, I don't even look at.
Oh, you're good.
If we get a 30 closure above that support there on the 30, if you pop over, uh, yeah, I got mine a little higher, just to,
Yeah, right there.
yeah. Like if we get a closure up above there, yes, on the 15 it looks overextended, but on the 30, I like it. And for the fact that NQ doesn't necessarily like to pull back
Yeah,
here.
I agree.
Um, but would love a bearish closure on the 15 up above again
Yeah,
for a little support, something. But
I agree. This candle, golly.
mm,
Golly, man.
Man, gold just bleeding. I'm peeping in Q. See what it wants to close. Not like this.
Yeah.
That's probably the worst closure for NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Go make my coffee.
All right.
Dude, when markets are slow and I'm just like bored, it's like I almost want like a computer game or something to like play when I don't
No,
like, you know what? I don't want to start doing like work yet
I know. Just mindless game.
mindlessly.
Get on cool math games.
Well, math games. It's like I start playing the game for a minute and then I'm like, you know what? I actually want to do something meaningful.
Right.
Uh,
Switch it up.
wonder how this would look. What about? Hmm, What do you think Hudson's learning about in class right now?
Uh, and the 90-degree angle of a wall. Some architecture stuff.
And when I first met him, I never thought I was like an architect. Like that was just not like what I thought his major was. It was
Really?
gonna be. It's like, what? You struggling with that?
Yeah, it's so strong.
Which one did you get this time?
It's a medium roast. Dude, I've been getting it. I don't even know what the brand's called. I keep forgetting. It's just like a Colombian medium roast, so.
I feel like I'm low key gonna just slowly turn into a coffee snob.
Yeah. Oh, it's inevitable.
Yeah,
Especially the more health benefits I see from it. I don't know if you've seen all those, just how,
I haven't, but I know there's a lot.
yeah.
Where's Jeff been?
He's in Austin right now. At like a kind of like a men's retreat type deal.
Okay.
Um, we get something like this, just wants to close up, and then boom, take sales coming back down. Candlesticks won't look like that, but
Hmm. Hmm. I mean, gold's got to be getting close to tapping targets here.
right. Like how much further can it melt?
Like,
How much
I mean,
longer?
there's like little support at 51.20, but thank you.
Might get something here on gold.
On gold. Yeah. I'm holding forever. I'm holding 300 pips. Okay.
Got 70 to 80 pip vantage point. Target's tap on the 4 hour.
I'm looking at 300 pips. On the
Yeah,
15?
I'm just wary at that level right there.
Yeah.
Um,
It's probably when I'll go break even.
yeah.
Assuming we don't just
Run up there.
I did it my way.
Yeah, if we get this closure, take it off the break of these highs, fill that wick, go break even, and ride this thing out. Yeah. I can only make 900 at a time on this account, even though now I'm like in mega drawdown. Stupid.
Yeah. I don't
um,
like how you can't see like your account balance or anything like until you like go down there.
yeah, it's basically like a back set. I've got $4,500 worth of drawdown. Just because the last 3 trades have gone full risk and just, you know, frustrating.
Yeah.
Get tapped out by one, get tapped in by one, full loss. See if we get that to close there in 30 seconds. Nice. So, gonna need a bottom wick here. I'm just gonna get my buy stop up and ready to drag. How many ticks is that? I don't know. Sorry, someone's knocking on my door. Ugh. Just didn't take enough time making that bottom wick for me. It's tricky because this does look good on the hour to keep pushing up.
No, yeah, just not enough.
I know. Not enough at all. Especially with, price, the way price has just moved down this session.
Yeah,
Um, it'd be counter trend, so definitely would have liked to see that bottom weight come down a lot further. Because now we can just rip right back down on the break of these 15 lows. But we do have, we're in clean range here. So, I mean, even if we get this 15 to close up now like that, sales coming back down.
don't look too bad either.
No. So let me, how do I, there we go. I'll be right back. And that's why we didn't want to get in right there. Just that reflip.
Yeah.
Ooh.
NQ was a wild ride this morning, as always.
Yeah. How many people getting buys right there?
No, I got in buys from the bottom at target tapped.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right down there.
Golly, man. It's nuts.
Like NQ will somehow close back up in the range this morning. Well, Wow, look at NQ, bro. You're lying.
It's crazy.
That 5 minute is absurd.
I gotta stay on a little bit later on gold. I don't think we can get a move not between 9 and 10 with this clean range we've got. Uh, I mean, if we can, I mean, that 4 hour, if that thing wants to rip back up.
Do those people not know you're trading, Hudson? Like, good heavens. They would never run behind your chair like that.
Yeah,
AJ would have let him know.
he would have.
I'm bored. I don't know if Tehran is still here, but what is up, brother?
Hey, Tehran. I didn't see that. I don't know if he's
Unless
still,
you're still.
if he's still here. He said, "These guys hate me."
These guys hate me.
It's good to
These
see
guys.
that our YouTube live stream's working every once in a while. Dude, I mean, that thing is just desolate.
We need to fix it.
I know. It.
That
It's
is,
why, like,
I
dude,
mean, it,
because in my mind, that's something that, like, I know I won't shut up about the AI, but it could help us with. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Like, give us ideas. So it's just
Well,
like, I'm sure.
it's not too hard. When I've talked with chat, it's just like we just need to sit down and do it. But
Yeah.
it's not too bad for us to fix. It's just moving stuff over to like, yeah, it's not bad.
What? He just left?
No, uh,
Ah,
no, he may be back.
yeah.
Um, no, I'm saying the bro, look at this. Uh, my dad's like creating like trying to create a shirt or something. Um, and this is what he sent.
Dude, that's actually awesome.
I know. This was his other one that he was thinking too. He was saying his chat created it for him.
Love it. No, dude, chat's getting really good at creating quick images. Uh,
Yeah.
is he like pretty much all in on that ranch? Like, is he? I can just see.
Oh, dude, he said like he wants to be like buried out there. He's like, yeah, just bury me out here. Throw me in
Yeah,
the burn pile.
I love it, dude. But like, what else would you want? You're in a great location. You got
Yeah.
a little pocket of land. It's beautiful.
Yeah. No, I know. I'm like, yeah, hey, that's
He got room to do all the projects he wants out there.
Hmm. Yeah, and that's also what I think is hard for them too, is because I don't want, like, Grace and I don't want to be like, eventually, yes, but like right now, it's like buying a big house or buying a house and like building it up or whatever. Like,
Kind of, they want you to do
I'm just like, we
it's
don't want that. But
well
like,
that, but it's not the same
yeah,
anymore.
it's not.
Like right now, that in my opinion, it's one of the worst financial decisions to go in debt and buy a house.
Oh, 100%.
And just all the stuff you got to take on the
And
property tax,
yeah,
the
and so don't,
maintenance.
yeah, it's mainly the house maintenance and just like everything in between that where it's like, hey, it's yeah, if I wanted
Interest
to,
rates are it keep getting worse. Like,
yeah, it's like if I wanted to, maybe if I was like, hey, I'm staying, I love this location. This is where I want to live the rest of my life. I want to buy a house here and do that and like stay there. Yeah, but like, dude, during the weekends, I don't want to be like, well, the gutters need repairs. Let me get up
yeah,
there or
spend
whatever.
your entire weekend on whatever the house needs.
Yeah, I'm like, I do my entire week of things I don't want to do, like with the Air Force, and I'm like, yeah, now on the weekend, let me do house stuff, house repairs or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
You guys sound like nerds, dude.
We're such nerds.
You ever just mowed just a nice big yard, just a
Yeah,
fresh cut,
yes, unfortunately, I've literally that's all I
some,
grew up doing with my
some New
parents.
Balances on?
Dude,
Bet
Yes.
you
yeah,
never had New Balances on.
Yeah, I would go out there, yeah, push mowers, and then luckily it got to the point where my dad got Kubota zero turn. So then I go out there in flip flops and a swimsuit,
for hours.
and yeah, for hours. And I'm like, yeah, yes, that is it is relaxing, but every week in the summer, spending probably 8 hours total mowing the whole property.
Yeah, dude, it's a lot of grass.
And it's like that's just a lot of time that I personally would rather not be doing.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, it definitely changes when you have kids, right?
Hmm.
'Cause it's like, in an ideal world, yeah, I'd be doing something fun every weekend, but when you have kids, it's kind of just you gotta you gotta find ways to make it fun at home, or else
yeah,
you'll freaking go poor, dude.
yeah,
Yeah, and
Like, I'd
that's
love to be at Dave and Buster's like all day Saturday, just drinking beer and playing video games with my kid, but
yeah.
shit costs money.
I know, and
dude.
that's what
There's
it's
also
like.
expectations that whatever prize they see, that's the one they're getting.
Yeah. No, I mean, my dad was so fired up first time he went with you. It's like he discovered something new. He's like, bro, I went to Dave and Buster's with Jacob Saturday all day long, and we drank beer and played video games. It was the best day ever. The
Oh,
kids
dude,
just ran around, did their own thing, and we
we
just,
ran through that Halo game, dude.
yeah, just crushing Halo,
Yeah,
drinking beer.
I mean, if
Yeah.
there was more to conquer, we would have conquered
Yeah.
it. But then, yeah, man, then they started playing the UFC fights. Oh
Yeah.
man,
It's everything you want there.
yeah, it really is.
Yeah, no, that's awesome.
We get a strong bearish closure below here on the 15. I like sells.
Yeah. Uh,
It's just
but
tricky with the hour. Um,
yeah, being so bullish.
you know.
But yeah, no, Jacob, that's something that eventually where it may get to that point where it's like when we have kids that like settle down a little bit more, but especially like right now, I'm like, Mom, Dad, I'm 23. I would rather not spend my weekends mowing or fixing stuff around the house. Rather go explore and take trips with just Grace before I have
Oh, dude.
little
Yeah.
kids running around destroying my life.
Yeah. When it's just you guys, just dude, get the smallest freaking place smallest, cheapest place you can find where you don't feel like you're gonna die.
Yep.
And then just go freaking spend that money elsewhere for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, if I could do it over, like I would have just bought a small house as early in life as I could have, and then as soon as we're ready to start having kids or whatever, I would have just rented it out, and I would have just tried to get as many rental properties as I possibly could.
Yeah.
Which I say back then, which isn't like 10 years ago. Yeah, that was the way to do it 100%. Now I'm looking even at stuff like that I was showing you guys for Minot. I'm like, dude, this is terrible.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't buy a house. Why not? Yeah,
I'm like,
I never wanted to say that to you, but like, yeah,
oh
don't buy
no,
it.
like, and
No.
if it would have, so my thing too that I was trying to explain to my parents was, hey, I get BAH, so I would buy a house if it's within my BAH because it would essentially be for free.
Yeah.
Which if you could get a house for free, cool, I'd do that, but not uh, at 2x my BAH. So
Yeah, for sure.
that's what I was like, yeah, I'm good there. But yeah, and
Yeah,
these,
dude. Like, I mean, obviously, there's certain places where you wouldn't want to buy a home, like where we came from in Oregon. It's like, how much higher can house prices really go? Like,
Yeah.
especially at 5.7 or whatever interest rates are. It's like, yeah, you're going to be there. You're going to be house poor for like 10 years before you really can make a nut off that house.
Yeah.
But like Northwest Arkansas, I'd be buying houses as quickly as I could in some of these fringe towns like Pea Ridge or, even like Gravette or Decatur, like some of these fringe towns that are less expensive.
yeah, for now.
I mean, right
Yeah,
now it's, this area is going to continue to boom. And if you look back at like 2008 to 2012, like Northwest Arkansas was like one of the least affected regions of the country, like municipalities in the country, when it came to the economic downturn.
Yeah.
So like, what do poor people rely on? Walmart and Tyson Chicken.
Yeah. No,
right? And trucking, like you still
Yeah.
need trucking. So
Yeah.
it's like, so that's one thing that I would just get into a starter home, dude, and just ride it out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially in those, because that's what my sister wants to do. Because she's coming back to the area for teaching. And so, yeah, looking at houses around in those areas. Because, I mean, there's truly so much just, I say, like good land out there too for dirt cheap. Like, even where my parents bought 12 years ago, or 13 years ago, it was insane.
Yeah.
Like you thought we were out in the middle of nowhere. Now it's like
It's a gold mine.
Yeah.
It's like
Where do
one of
they
the
live
better-
at?
So do you know where Shadow Valley's at?
The golf course?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like 3 minutes from the front gate. Off 112. Do you know where Evening Star is?
No.
Okay, so it's pretty much like a couple minutes from Shadow Valley.
There's like Scissortail over there, that new school.
Yeah, so it's like that area. If you look up
But
Evening
you're like
Star.
right across the street from Shadow Valley, but when you pull into their drive, it's so secluded. It's like this little chunk of land.
Oh,
It's tucked away.
I got, yeah. So it's like between Bentonville and Cave Springs, kind of.
Yeah, if you type in, I don't think anyone's even.
Yeah. You're about
In
to
the
air
live
out your
stream.
address on
In the live stream.
Yeah, I'll end it real quick. Yeah, it's not
Yeah,
cool.
don't do that. I think your mom already sent me your address.
Oh, perfect. She loves to give that out.
No, but yeah, I mean that